Namaste. Subject Engineering Mathematics for first semester BE. Name of the book author Dr. K.S. Chandrasekhar sir. Module 2 Differential Calculus 2. Article number 2.2 Indeterminate Forms. Sub-article number 2.21 L'Hospital's rule. Assignment. Evaluate the following limits. Problem number 4. Limit x tends to 0 sin x sin inverse of x whole divided by x square. So fourth problem number 4. Let k equal to limit x tends to 0 sin x into sin inverse of x whole divided by x square. So put x equal to 0. Okay. So sin 0 is 0. Sin inverse of 0 is also 0. Divided by 0 square. So that is 0 by 0 form ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದರ ಬದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin inverse of 0. ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 sin x divided by x ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು, ಒಂದು x. And another one, limit x tends to 0 sin inverse of x divided by x. Okay. So here limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is 1. So 1 into limit x tends to 0 sin inverse of x by x. So sin inverse of 0 is 0 divided by 0 is 0. ಅಂದರೆ 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್. 1 into 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ L'Hospital's rule. K equal to limit x tends to 0. So applying L'Hospital's rule ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ take the differentiation of numerator and denominator separately. So differentiation of sin inverse of x is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square divided by differentiation of x is 1. Next, put x equal to 0. So 1 divided by square root of 1 minus 0 square. So this one is divided by 1 andre ide barutte. Okay. Next, 1 minus 0 square is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So thus k equal to 1 is the answer. Okay. So see the answer. So problem number 4, answer is 1. Okay. So this is the solution for that questions. Thank you so much.